So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and go live on Facebook. Now, doing this is very basic and it really doesn't take too much time. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and hop inside of your Facebook application, and you have to make sure you have Facebook installed on your phone. You cannot do this via the web browser on your phone or Android or whatever you have. You have to go and do this via your application. So download your Facebook app, and when you have it installed, you have it logged in and everything. On the top right corner of your Facebook application, you should see this plus button right there. All you're going to want to do is you want to tap on that plus button, and this little drop down is going to come up. What you're going to want to do is you want to tap on this little live button that comes up right here. So then it's going to ask you if you want to give it access to your microphone and camera and all that other stuff, and you just want to go ahead and go for it. And then this page is going to come up. So a little bit of a breakdown, you'll see these little top buttons. So it's going to show you your account and all this other stuff. Then it's going to show you like effects and whether you want flash on or off. You can just keep it off. You can flip the camera around, and you can even show whether you want to mute or unmute your specific video. Now you can also add a description if you want to of your particular live that you're doing. So you can tap on the description and you can go and edit up this wherever you want to. Now you can go and click done, and then you can go and click go live. So whenever you're ready and whenever you're done, what you can do is you can go and click go live, and you can go ahead and go live on this particular video. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. You can go and tap on go live, and you can show this video, and then it'll start live streaming, and that's basically all you're going to want to do. It really is that basic, and it really doesn't take too much time, but that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.